Welcome to HerbNerd TV. Today, we're diving into a heated and ongoing controversy surrounding kratom, a tropical tree native to Southeast Asia. Kratom has been both praised for its potential benefits and criticized for its risks, leading to a significant clash between its users and regulatory agencies worldwide. Is kratom a natural remedy that offers relief and hope, or is it a substance that poses a threat to public health? Let's explore the complexities of kratom, the perspectives of its advocates and detractors, and the scientific evidence behind this contentious herb. What is kratom? Kratom, Mitragyna speciosa, is a tree indigenous to countries like Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Papua New Guinea. The leaves of the kratom tree have been used traditionally for centuries by local populations. Kratom leaves can be chewed, smoked, or brewed into tea, and are now also available in capsules, powders, and extracts. Active compounds. 1. Mitragyna, the primary active alkaloid, believed to have stimulant effects at lower doses. 2. 7-hydroxymitragyne, another significant alkaloid, thought to contribute to analgesic, pain-relieving, effects. Traditional uses of kratom. 1. Stimulant. At low doses, kratom is used to increase energy, alertness, and sociability. 2. Analgesic. At higher doses, it may have sedative effects, providing pain relief. 3. Opioid withdrawal aid. Some individuals use kratom to alleviate symptoms of opioid withdrawal. The rise of kratom in the West over the past 2 decades, kratom has gained popularity in the United States, Europe, and other Western countries. Users often report benefits such as 1. Pain management. Relief from chronic pain conditions. 2. Mood enhancement. Reduction in anxiety and depression symptoms. 3. Energy boost. Increased focus and stamina. 4. Opioid alternative. Assistance in reducing dependence on prescription opioids. Regulatory agencies concerns regulatory bodies like the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and the Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA, have raised significant concerns about kratom's safety and potential for abuse. Key concerns. Lack of regulation and quality control. 1. Contamination risks. Some kratom products have been found to contain heavy metals, bacteria like salmonella, and other contaminants. 2. Inconsistent potency. Variations in alkaloid concentrations can lead to unpredictable effects. Potential for abuse and addiction. 1. Opioid-like effects. Kratom interacts with opioid receptors, raising concerns about dependence and withdrawal symptoms. Adverse health effects. 1. Reported side effects. Nausea, vomiting, constipation, drowsiness, and, in rare cases, seizures and respiratory depression. 2. Fatalities. While rare, there have been reports of deaths involving kratom, often in combination with other substances. Insufficient scientific evidence. 1. Lack of clinical trials. Limited high-quality research on kratom's safety and efficacy hampers informed decision-making. Regulatory actions around the world. United States. 1. The FDA has issued warnings about kratom, citing it as an opioid with potential for abuse. 2. In 2016, the DEA announced intent to classify kratom as a Schedule I substance, alongside heroin and LSD, but withdrew after public outcry. 3. Several states have banned or restricted kratom. International. 1. Thailand. Historically banned kratom but legalized it in 2018 for medical purposes. 2. Malaysia and Australia. Kratom is illegal. 3. European Union. Regulations vary by country, some have bans in place. Users' perspectives. Advocacy groups like the American Kratom Association, aka, argue that kratom is a safe, natural alternative for 1. Chronic pain management. 2. Opioid addiction recovery. 3. Mental health support. Key arguments. Personal testimonials. 1. Many users share stories of improved quality of life, reduced reliance on prescription medications, and successful management of withdrawal symptoms. Demand for regulation over ban. 1. Advocates call for quality control and labeling standards rather than outright prohibition. Cultural significance. 1. Emphasize kratom's traditional use and potential benefits when used responsibly. Scientific evidence research overview. 1. Analgesic effects. Some studies indicate that kratom's alkaloids may have pain-relieving properties. 2. Opioid receptor interaction. Mitragyna and 7-hydroxymitragyna interact with mu-opioid receptors but have a different profile than traditional opioids. 3. Potential for dependence. Animal studies suggest possible dependence with prolonged use. Challenges. 1. Limited clinical trials. Most studies are preclinical or based on animal models. 2. Case reports. Human data often come from case studies, which may not represent general use. Recent developments. 1. National Institutes of Health, NIH, funding research to better understand kratom's effects. 2. University studies. Investigating kratom's pharmacology, potential therapeutic uses, and risks. Safety considerations, potential side effects. 1. Common. Nausea, dry mouth, constipation, loss of appetite, increased urination. 2. Serious. Liver toxicity, seizures, hallucinations. Risk of contamination. 1. Salmonella outbreaks. FDA recalls due to contamination. 2. Heavy metals. Some products found with lead and nickel above safe limits. Drug interactions. 1. Kratom may interact with medications, including antidepressants and painkillers, leading to adverse effects. Ethical and legal debates, arguments for regulation. 1. Consumer safety. Quality control can reduce risks of contamination and inconsistent dosing. 2. Research facilitation. Legal status can promote scientific studies to understand benefits and risks. Arguments for restriction, ban. 1. Public health protection. Concerns about abuse, addiction, and adverse events. 2. Lack of medical approval. Without FDA approval, safety cannot be guaranteed. The way forward: balanced approach. 1. Regulated access. Implement standards for production, labeling, and sale. 2. Education. Provide accurate information to consumers about risks and safe use. 3. Research investment. Support comprehensive studies to inform policy and medical use. Consumer responsibility. 1. Informed decisions. Consult healthcare professionals before using kratom. 2. Source verification. Purchase from reputable suppliers with third-party testing. 3. Report adverse effects. Contribute to data collection by reporting negative experiences. Conclusion: the battle over kratom is complex, involving personal freedoms, public health concerns, cultural practices, and scientific uncertainty. While users advocate for their right to access kratom and attest to its benefits, regulatory agencies emphasize the need for caution due to potential risks and the lack of conclusive evidence. Key takeaways. 1. Kratom has potential benefits but also poses risks that need careful consideration. 2. Regulation rather than prohibition may offer a solution that balances safety with access. 3. Ongoing research is crucial to fully understand kratom's effects and inform policy decisions. Thank you for watching HerbNerd TV. We hope this exploration has provided valuable insights into the kratom controversy. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth discussions on herbal remedies and health topics. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you had experiences with kratom? Share your stories or questions in the comments below. Stay informed, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.